The global pickup truck market is currently experiencing one of its most transformative periods in decades, and right at the center of this storm is a brand that has undergone a massive identity shift. For years, the world knew them as SsangYong, the South Korean specialist in rugged SUVs and workhorse trucks. But today, under the new banner of KGM Mobility, the company is preparing to launch a vehicle that could fundamentally disrupt the mid-size pickup segment. We are talking about the recently teased successor to the venerable KGM Musso, a truck slated for a 2026 debut that promises to blend futuristic styling with the hard-working DNA that made its predecessor a cult favorite in markets like Australia, the United Kingdom, and South Korea. This teaser image isn't just a glimpse at a new model, it is a declaration of intent from KGM, that they are ready to step out of the shadows and challenge the likes of the Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux, and Mitsubishi Triton with a fresh, digital-forward perspective. The teaser images released by KGM suggest a radical departure from the somewhat conservative lines of the current Musso. The 2026 pickup appears to draw heavy inspiration from the O100 concept car that was showcased recently, embracing a boxy, muscular aesthetic that leans into the rugged outdoor lifestyle trend. At the front, the design is dominated by a high, flat hood and a sophisticated LED lighting signature that spans the width of the vehicle. The traditional grille has been reimagined as a sleek, tech-focused panel, likely housing the sensors and radars needed for advanced driver assistance systems. Large KGM lettering is proudly displayed, signaling the brand's confidence in its new identity. The flared wheel arches and chunky proportions suggest a vehicle that is not just built for the urban commute, but is genuinely capable of handling demanding off-road terrain. It is a design language that looks both premium and indestructible, a difficult balance to strike, but one that KGM seems to have mastered with this new iteration. One of the most significant talking points surrounding this 2026 successor is what lies beneath the skin. While the current Musso is known for its sturdy body-on-frame construction and dependable diesel engines, the new era of KGM is heavily focused on electrification. Industry insiders expect this new pickup to be built on a versatile platform that can accommodate a variety of powertrains. This includes a traditional internal combustion engine for those who need maximum towing capacity and long-range utility, but more importantly, a fully electric truck. KGM has already made significant strides with the Torres EVX, and it is highly likely that the electric truck will share a great deal of battery and motor technology with that SUV. Imagine an electric truck with a large capacity battery, possibly utilizing lithium iron phosphate or LFP technology for better durability, providing enough torque to pull a heavy trailer while offering the quiet, refined driving experience that only an EV can provide. This dual market approach ensures that KGM can appeal to traditional fleet buyers and modern adventure seekers alike. The interior is also expected to receive a total overhaul, moving away from the utilitarian feel of older SsangYong models toward a more digital-centric masterclass. We expect a cabin that mirrors the high-tech environment of the KGM Torres, featuring large panoramic displays that integrate the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. High-quality materials, sustainable fabrics, and improved ergonomics will likely be the focus, as KGM aims to position the 2026 pickup as a premium alternative in a segment where interiors are becoming increasingly car-like. Features like vehicle-to-load or V2L technology, which would allow users to power tools or camping equipment directly from the truck's battery, would be a massive selling point for the electric version, making it the ultimate mobile workshop or campsite hub. When we look at the competitive landscape, the timing for KGM couldn't be better. The mid-size pickup segment is currently seeing a massive influx of new energy, with the Ford Ranger and Volkswagen Amarok setting high bars for refinement, and the upcoming Kia Tasman preparing to enter the fray as a direct South Korean rival. By moving the Musso Successor toward a more futuristic and electrified future, KGM is positioning itself as an innovator rather than a follower. The brand has always been praised for its value for money proposition, offering high towing capacities and generous equipment levels for a lower price than the mainstream Japanese rivals. If KGM can maintain that value advantage while delivering the cutting-edge design and electric performance hinted at in these teasers, they may find themselves at the top of many buyers' wish lists. The transition from SsangYong to KGM has been more than just a name change. It has been a cultural shift within the company. There is a newfound focus on global markets and a desire to be seen as a leader in the new mobility space. This 2026 pickup truck is the flagship of that ambition. It represents the culmination of years of engineering struggle and a bold new vision for the future of utility vehicles. For the loyal Musso owners who have appreciated the truck's honesty and toughness over the years, this successor looks like a worthy evolution. It keeps the rugged spirit, but wraps it in a package that is ready for the digital age. As we wait for more details to emerge throughout 2025, the excitement continues to build. Will it keep the Musso name, or will KGM opt for a completely new moniker to distance itself from the past? Regardless of the name on the tailgate, the truck itself looks poised to make a massive impact. It is a vehicle that understands the modern world, a world where a truck needs to be a family car, a tool, and an adventure machine all at once. KGM is clearly listening to the market, and if the production version remains true to these aggressive teasers, the 2026 pickup revolution is going to be led by a brand that many people are only just beginning to discover. Stay tuned as we follow the journey of this South Korean powerhouse from its first teaser to the global launch of what could be the most important truck of the decade.